Hey, welcome to the first video in simple SEO optimization. In this video, we're going to cover exactly what you need to do before you upload your video. So I'm going to keep this video just short and sweet. Before you upload your video, you want to make sure you name the file name, name your video exactly the keyword that you want to rank for. Okay, so in this example, what we've done is we've selected a keyword that we want to rank for, which is reverse diabetic neuropathy in hands and feet, and that's the name of our file. So this gives YouTube, well before you enter in your title, your description, and your tags and like your closed captions, this will give YouTube an initial idea of what your video is about. So make sure, rule number one, you name the file name the keyword that you want to rank for. So with that said, let's get into the next video